Hello everyone, my name's Cathy and today we're going to learn how to make a gnome ornament, and we'll go through the list of supplies we're going to need. Okay, we're going to need some cardboard that measures like 6 inches, and so set that up. And then we're going to need paper roll towel holders that are marked at 1-inch segments, and they will be cut into little hat brims. They'll become that. After you make your hat brims, then you'll also need a piece of cardboard that measures 7 inches, because that's going to make the beard. Okay? And then you'll need some googly eyes, small googly eyes. You'll need some twine to make your hanger, to hang your ornaments. You'll need some glue or hot glue, and then scissors, and you'll need some polyfill, and you will need a needle, a large eye yarn needle, so that you can hang your ornament when you're done. Okay, so we're going to go through the process of making a hat. And again, I mentioned how you'll use the paper towel holder to cut your brim, hat brim, and then you'll begin threading it like this. Okay, so I started one here, and it's nearly finished. We just got a few more to go, but you hold it in your hand and you just put it through the middle, and you pull it out the other side like that, and then you just tie it off. Okay, make sure you end up on the right side of it and stuff. That's important. Okay, because you want everything tied in the same direction. So let me do another one here for you, for another example. Because you want your hat brim to be really full of yarn. That makes it extra cute. So you make your loop. This loop will be, this piece of yarn is 12 inches. You know that because you measured it with your cardboard template. Okay? And so in about 10 minutes, you will have created your hat brim. Okay? And that is demonstrated right here. Okay? So all of your yarn is coming out this end where you tied it in a little knot. Okay? So then what's going to happen is we got to make the yarn go through the hat. Okay, so all you do, an easy way to do that is just kind of twist it in your hand and push it through. Push it through the other end. Kind of pull it out. And then kind of comb it with your fingers. Okay? Get it tidied up like that. Okay? And then another good thing about measuring your yarn out this way is it prevents waste of material, so that you can make a bunch of them. Okay, and then we'll tie a knot. Oops, we want to make sure all of our strands are inside the knot, because this is going to create the pom-pom on the hat. Oh, let me get my fingers through there. Okay, get your pom-pom on your hat. right off. I lost my other knot. We'll tie another knot. Okay. We just want that knot nice and tight. Okay. And then we'll continue to shape the hat up. Straighten it up. Okay. Then you use just a small amount of polyfill and start stuffing it inside your hat. And you don't want to overstuff it because then it'll start poking through your hat, and you don't want that. Like that. You don't want to keep putting it in there. You want to pull it back out so it's all covered up. Okay, and then we'll take some scissors and start trimming our hat pom-pom off. You can trim it as short as you want or as long as you'd like. Just do what you think you want to do with that. A short. Give it a haircut. Oops. Okay, and so now we're at this stage. We just passed this stage of the project of the hat. And now what we'll do is we will reach for our thread and needle. So things are exciting. We got past the hat part, and now we're ready to make the hanger for the hat. So all we needed was to string up some twine on a yarn needle, and we've already got a knot at the end of it here. And you want to be careful because you can pull it through and you might lose it. So just hopefully I don't do that now, but we're going to put it down the center of the hat, and we're going to find it through the top. And you're going to hold everything, taking care to not lose your end, okay? And then you're going to bring it back down the middle just like you came through and grab it out, okay? And then you pull it all off, and then here at the end we're going to make a knot at the end. Make a knot. Trim that tail off. And pull it through, and it kind of buries itself inside there, okay? And then you have along this hanger, you know, it's a little bit long because we might be hanging it around a doorknob, something large. So you'll just adjust that at whatever you need to do there. Okay, so now we got past that. We are ready to conquer the beard part right now, where we're going to make the loops for the beard, and we're going to cut it. It looks really messy there, and then we'll do the face. Okay, so to make the beard, you will reach for your 7-inch piece of cardboard template. Okay, and then you'll just take and wrap that around 60 times. That's about 60 times, give or take a few and stuff. And this is the part when you slide it off your template, you want to be really careful not to disrupt your loops too much, okay? Okay, I'm gonna cut that off and keep that right like that. And we're gonna use that to make a knot right in the center. And you turn it over and make another knot on the other side just for extra security. Okay, and trim that off, or you could leave it too. It could become a part of the beard as well. Okay, and then the reason why you're trying to keep this in a butterfly shape is so that when you go through and grab all your loops like that, you'll be able to cut most of them. And you might miss one or two, and when you run into that, just cut them. If you find that. See, I missed several right there and stuff. Okay, that gets them. I might catch another one in there that got missed, but that'll keep that part of the project organized. And we'll go through here and see what we got. Oops, there's one there. I think I got all of them on that side. Looks like I got an extra long one there. Okay. Alrighty. So now, I don't want to forget to mention, but we'll fold it in the center like that. Okay, you'll hold it like that, and then let me find the hat part, and we'll get some hot glue. We'll want to put plenty of hot glue in here, inside the hat here along the brim. Plenty of glue, and then you're gonna pack that inside there like that, and that'll hold it. Okay, then you just comb it with your fingers. I found some more loops in there to trim. Okay, and then we're ready to apply the nose, and we're just going to glue the nose just right inside, just right under there, peeking out underneath that hat brim. Okay. And then we got our googly eyes. I know they're little googly eyes. You might want bigger ones. But just put a little bit of right next to the nose there. Oops. That's your other one. We usually don't get to see the gnome's eyes, but it makes it cute if you get to see a little bit of eyes there. Then if you get some glue, just tidy it up. But get your eyes right there next to the nose the best you can, and continue to work on that. Okay? And then you might be interested in, you know, you might want your gnome to have a mustache, so you'll pull a few strands out and cut those away, make a shorter mustache on both sides. You may not want a mustache, but it adds some more cuteness. 3 or 4, 5, 6 strands is all you need to make your mustache. Okay. It'll poke out there for you. Okay, and then you just comb your beard out with your hands and tidy it up, and then you just trim your beard the way you'd like your beard to look. Still found another loop in there. Okay, so just trim that the way you'd like it to look, and then you have yourself a cute little gnome for your neighbor, your friend, whoever you'd like to give it to. Okay, and then here's some more examples of some completed ones, ideas there. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a gnome ornament, and have a nice day. See you next time.